you go.
Why are you asking me about getting the red?
Yeah.
I was gonna get the blue because I wanted to keep this clocker. What do you mean?
Dude, it's not gonna last.
Okay.
Dude, my granite voltage is gonna last longer.
Stop. This is Team Corally. These are the strongest vehicles ever. Because if you go and look online, everybody says these are the strongest ever.
Did you sell your 6S Creighton to buy this?
Yes, I did. I had to sell my 6S Creighton and I paid $800 on top for this car.
Oh.
Because this is supposed to be the most powerful RC car out
we are
that will not break. We're gonna go ahead and unbox.
So the crazy thing is January 2024. That's not even out, is it? Was it?
Don't worry about that. Today we have the Team Corally Kagama4. This car is brand new.
I thought that was the Kagama.
It just came out. What?
I thought it was the Kagama.
Well, that's for Japanese girls only. But this was in Belgium, and this car is supposed to be really good and not break. It's supposed to be a Traxxas Beta.
This is the worst accent I've ever heard.
But anyway, guys, today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful Kagama.
You got to be a man about it.
Hold on. I don't want to break the voltage like you did.
What are you talking about? I think this is going to be stronger than the voltage.
Okay.
Why did you say that, Brett? We were just acting like we haven't even done the voltage yet.
But anyway.
Okay, you don't. Wow, man.
This is
what? Oh, that's.
Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that's the controller.
Ooh. Here, I'll open that for you.
No, don't worry about it. Don't fire. Stop.
Hey, flip that over real quick.
Fire,
flip
stop.
It over real quick.
You broke your last controller. What are you doing? All right, so here's the Kagama4. Brand new. Never unboxed. Let's see which one would be better here.
You're stepping on the box.
Byron, why are you stepping on my box?
Because remember that dude that was complaining about an old man stepping on your box?
All right, here's the ASMR version of this.
ASMR? Just, well.
It's okay, guys, there's clips. This is the clip system.
What? Ghetto.
The clip system, so we know we're taking a few steps back. Hold on, don't rip it off, man. It's supposed to be for ASMR, guys.
This is not ASMR.
We're also an ASMR channel. Bro just whacked me with the body. As you can see here, guys, it's a 4S with the Qron 725. It has a Ching Jiao Wee Wow servo and that thing that makes the power. But also, look, these guys know us. They just put a 4S TRX plug on here. This is crazy. All right, now I got to get serious for a second. So after looking at all the reviews and talking to our buddy Mike, I'll give Mike a shout out here from RC4Us here. He told me, make sure to shrink wrap your CV joints. I'm not gonna shrink wrap nothing on this thing. If it's not good enough to bash out the box, I don't want it. All right, well, let's throw a 4S in here and see what this thing can do. If it's gonna break,
right away.
If it's gonna break immediately, or actually just be fun. Yeah, it's quite cold out here, guys, so this thing's probably going to break.
Oh, it's going to break.
What's up, guys? Today, you can go enter to win this Snap-on Traxxas Fortec van. This is a limited edition car. Right now, all you have to do is go to lifeofballin.com to enter today. Every $5 that you spend gets you 10 entries, and we have many things on the website to help you win this beautiful car. Our brand new product that we have is the Life of Ballin hex holder here. It comes in orange and black. Black is a limited time. So this thing right here has helped me through all of my builds. By just simply putting my hexes in here, it saves so much time. So go check these out on the website now. We also have new and used items. This is a brand new charger that is going to be cheaper than what you usually buy. That is also on lifeofballin.com. And remember, guys, anytime you buy any items off of the website, you get automatically entered to win this beautiful Snap-on van. Go to lifeofballin.com now and enter to win this beautiful thing.
Look at these links. The shock caps are metal, but they're plastic at the same time.
So let's see if a 6700 Traxxas will fit.
Definitely not going to. That's too long.
Ah, Byron's got to come and save the day with a 5000. Wait a minute. I got a Hoovu. Byron to the rescue to make this thing work since the 6700 won't fit. Yeah, so I guess that they make it where only the, I don't even know what batteries will fit. The little short 4S's, that's for sure.
Low power. Why is it smoking?
It's already smoking. Now we got the armor all put up. The armor. Now we got the Team Corally The Team Corally Kagama4.
You gotta leave that in there. You gotta jump it off of that little bump right there and see if you can hit that tree over there. That thing's not in there, but.
All right, guys, let's see how the Kagama4 does today. No balls. It has no balls.
This thing's better than a Max, dude.
It is not fast.
Oh.
I'm not sure if there's a setting or something, but this thing is slow. Like, it is super slow.
Hold on 1 second. Look at the controller. Is there a button? Power 100%. There you go. You probably need it this way. There you go.
What is that?
That's your kind of speed right there.
Well, this is slower.
I know. It's your kind of power, Brett.
You know, I'm not impressed with it. Bro, stop messing with me.
Read the did it? Oh, dude, look at the front wheel.
The front wheel broke, just like the Creighton.
I think we need to read the instructions.
Yeah. Try to recreate the Creighton.
I mean, you kind of did.
Yeah, I hit the tree.
Oh, dude, it's not broken.
Wow.
But the drive shafts are still in there. I mean, it seems like it's waking up a little bit.
Okay, we're doing wheelies now.
It seems like it's waking up. I don't like what it does in the air.
No,
it like does this crap if you actually watch it. Just smacks it right into Austin's truck because Austin parked in the wrong. Oh,
that was a front shot right there.
Look at the chunk. Oh. Well, that hurt.
So if you guys want to do all this,
Barely.
We're gonna expect you guys to show up on work day. Doing all this.
Okay.
No, it sucks. Like, it's just city policy.
No,
The wrong kids are really the real problem.
I get what you're saying about it being wet, man. We'll watch out for that. 100%.
Yeah.
So far I'm not really impressed by the power of this thing, but we're gonna have to send it off with the black jump over here and just see how it will do. Because it has like no in-air control, it's not fast. People are gonna say, it's because of the Traxxas battery. It doesn't have a lot of CE ratings. No, the Fury wakes up on the Traxxas
Fury
battery
kills
100% more. So yeah, I don't know, maybe there's a setting, but we'll figure it out.
Are you scared to break it, Brett? Bruh, you're on all four.
It has no in-air control. I can't do it.
So I think what we'll have to do is throw a 6S system in it from Traxxas. Oh yeah, you broke it in half, dude. Dude, it's in half. Dun, dun, dun.
This thing, it will not backflip. Like, it just will not backflip.
Okay, so whenever you're flooring it in midair, what you need to do is floor it in midair. And once you get about halfway across the bridge, just slam on the brakes.
All right.
Maybe it'll do a front flip. You're on all four. What?
Cool, but it doesn't.
Oh, that was a hard landing. You're good though.
That didn't break. I don't know if it will. That was a hard hit. Oh,
was
it did. It definitely broke.
Oh, I heard something snap, but I was not 100% sure.
Yeah, it definitely broke. I was gonna say, if it didn't break, something definitely would break. What is that? A thick plastic?
I told you that was complete and utter garbage. All right, keep going.
All right, we'll see. The armor lasts pretty good.
Yeah, it just does this.
Well, you can't steer. You
No,
only
I
got
can't
one.
steer.
You got one wheel steer right now.
Yeah, I can't steer. Hold on.
You can go left, but you can't go right. Oh, hold on. We got a battery issue here.
Emergency.
Oh crap! I just broke that thing.
This.
What are you doing,
I didn't do that.
Brett? You're always trying to kill me.
You're telling me the literal strap broke?
Broke the plastic thing on the strap.
Dude. Okay. Okay.
It's not even that cold, really, in reality.
No, it's
I'm
like
kinda
50
I'm
something.
kind of sweating right now, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's like 50 something degrees out here.
Well, that was pretty pathetic of a battery strap. The
Pathetic of a
plastic
lot of
broke.
things. I don't get it.
How much was this thing?
They're like 450.
Yeah.
I feel like for 450, you shouldn't have those issues.
Yeah, good luck turning. Look at the ka-chow.
I I'm a Duramax.
I'm a dirty Max. Go ahead and go send it, Byron, if you could steer. I'm not impressed.
Neither am I.
Byron almost kills himself again. All right, here he goes. Let's see if he can keep it straight. Oh, there you go. You're good. Oh, Austin putting in work over here. I love it. Oh. Oh, there's wood, dude. He's giggling so hard.
I don't think you see what happened, dude.
What happened? Did it break all the way? Oh. Send it, bud. Don't lose the dog bone.
No, you can't lose dog bone as a CD.
Oh my gosh.
This truck. I smacked that wood and it just... Oh, God. Yes.
Just like that.
All right, well, this thing is tougher than a Max for sure.
What do you think about the power system in it? It's
Garbage.
It's slow. Definitely would not recommend for my first Corally.
Battery's going. Okay. Well, we're done.
Get her back to the truck. Oh my God, this is a disappointment. One hard landing, it just wasn't good. There's no in-air control.
That A-arm broke right in half.
Yeah.
Barely even tapped anything.
Can a Traxxas ARM be on there?
The 3 points. There's not really
Like,
even...
yeah, it didn't just, it's straight snapped in half.
It lost the screw. We're gonna go bankrupt.
What's the KV on this motor?
2150.
2150?
I was thinking it was number 2.
That did not have any juice. It's for sale.
I mean, it honestly looks like Hobby Wing stuff.
300.
It is Hobby Wing. That's why it's garbage.
Okay guys, so yeah, as you can tell, not impressed with this car at all. It's not that cold. I'm just a wussy, so I'm in like 14 layers.
Yeah,
But it's really like 52 degrees out here, and this just absolutely snapped right off. I mean, that just absolutely snapped. And it did have a hard landing.
Oh, okay, so it is 45.
Don't lie to them.
It's an iPhone. Of course it's lying to us. It's like 5 degrees hotter, but whatever.
And I guess what happened is we snapped the thingy thing that does the thing that holds it in here.
That
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, the steering link.
Yeah, that thing.
So yeah, I'm not really impressed with this. The power system, another thing. Maybe I don't have it tuned right. Maybe there's different things. I'll go read the book. Right out of the box, this thing is slow on 4S. Like, extremely slow, barely pulling wheelies as you saw. So then we let Byron try it after I broke it. And what did you think, Byron?
I mean, even though it's broke, it's still garbage.
But it's supercharged. Not charged up, but it's supercharged.
It says supercharger right here.
Oh, supercharger. Supercharger.
Where? It's super slow.
Yeah, if you're just getting into RC cars, I would not recommend this one at all.
We don't recommend it at all.
And it's sad. Hey, what are you doing to my body, dude?
What? Oh, this ain't mine. I forgot to tell you.
Hope y'all enjoyed the video. There'll be more Team Corally content once I can figure out how to fix that, and if we need to get better parts or what parts. What are you cutting over here, Byron? It's just cutting something. What are you cutting?
The upper A-arm, Brett, so we can finish it off.
Why are you cutting the upper A-arm? Now I gotta buy more things.
Just to see if it cuts. Oh my gosh.
Are you cutting through it?
Yeah. Like, I actually cut through it.
I don't even think there's RPM stuff or anything upgradable for Team Corally.
No, there's not. Team Corally sucks. I told you that in the beginning.
He did tell me that.
Whenever I was selling these things, I was like, you don't want to buy this.
Yeah, no.
Because we had one guy that bought it, and he tested like 2 of them out, and he was like, that Team Corally, straight trash.
All right, guys. I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the next one. Yep.
Trash. Don't buy one. Later.
Bye. So behind the scenes here, we're gonna be soldering a TRX plug on here, but you'll see the unboxing with a TRX plug. There we go. But we gotta get this thing on so we can immediately run it. Boop, boop. You voided the warranty. Actually, no, they said you don't. Team Corally, you don't void the warranty by doing this. And we're doing this because I'm not gonna run XT90s. That's stupid when I have everything already TRX.
So whenever you go right here, if you notice there's a little line right there underneath the A, and it says wire side. You You don't want to go past that line because then it won't click into the...
That'd probably burn right through the phone. Now, is this backed by a Byron warranty?
No, I didn't do this. I didn't do nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. There's no video evidence.
Ooh, I love the smoky sound. Wow. Yeah, it looks like a soldered wire.
I have that shake. It's happening.
You're getting old.
Yep.
You need caffeine for drugs.
I need...
The mad scientist at work.
Yeah.
And just like that. Thank you, Byron. Now we can actually run this thing.
$45.
Well, there you go. That's how you can actually make your money. Wait, would you take her instead? 4 goats?
2 bananas for a pound. 3 bananas
Three-
for €1.
3 banana for a pound?